Friday, August 30th. Still dealing with the car issue. Let's see if we can diagnose it. It's not coming on. Once again, the air blower should be on, but it's not. This is what's coming up. Not sure what that means. Let's try it. Those things. Air blower not on. Just gonna keep it right here in the on position for a second. It's parking brake engaged. Let's see if the brake is on. The brake is not on, but we still got. Now, take note. This is important. The blower just came on, right? The blower to the car just came on. When the blower is on, the car will usually start. Watch now. The car started. Don't know what the relationship is, but if the blower comes on, once I do this, then the car will start.